In this video I will show you how to copy table or text from one Excel worksheet to another one. So just click here. Now you have second one and paste as a format without format, and also you can transpose. Here is the using the formula, so it's make the 0. You want to copy with formula, so copy it both and now paste it like this. So thanks for watching.